Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Face ID on iPhone 13. Pro tips step by step clearly. To set up Face ID on your iPhone 13, start by ensuring your device is powered on. Unlock your iPhone by entering your passcode if prompted. Open the Settings app on your home screen. Scroll down and tap on Face ID and passcode. You may need to enter your passcode again for security purposes. Once in the Face ID settings, tap on Set up Face ID. Position your face within the frame that appears on your screen. Make sure your face is well lit and centered for best results. Tap Get Started to begin scanning your face. Slowly move your head in a circle, following the on-screen instructions. Once the first scan is complete, tap Continue to proceed. Repeat the scanning process for a second scan to enhance accuracy. After completing both scans, you'll see a message indicating Face ID is set up. You can now customize Face ID settings for specific features, like unlocking your iPhone or making purchases. If desired, enable Require Attention for Face ID for added security. You can also set up an alternate appearance if you have a different look you want to register. Review your Face ID settings to ensure everything is configured to your preference. You're all set to use Face ID on your iPhone 13. Enjoy the convenience of unlocking your device securely. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.